Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Ali Shanmal here. Today in this video we are going to take a look and review the newest ISDT T6 Lite smart battery charger with battery go technology. Let us take it outside the box. We'll take a look at its features and we'll put it to work right away. I do not have much batteries at the moment in my house. I just have some old batteries. Most of my batteries were sold out and remaining one are still in transit on a ship coming by sea to me. So until then I do have some of the batteries that are good enough or more than enough to test the performance of this T6 Lite. This is a small compact charger, as you can see from the size of the box in my hand. This is a small and compact charger, but don't go on its small size. It does pack a 600 watt of battery charging, efficient battery charging performance. So let me take it outside the box, give you a closer look at it, and we'll put it right away to the work and see how it works. Inside the box we have stickers from ISDT. Revolution starts here. The charger's user manual. We have a little bit of protective screen cover, which I believe I have removed it already because I took a peek before making a review. And here is your little charger. There's one more protective sticker on the screen, so let's remove it. And there you go. This is your T6 Lite, your smart little charger from ISDT that supports battery go technology. So this is your output. Okay, this is where you will connect. Now once again, only XT60 connector with battery go technology. Well, if you have other connectors, I mean other types of connectors on your batteries, there you go. You have to make new connectors, okay? And then you have a balance port, so you connect your battery and balance port here for output. How do you power this charger to charge your batteries? Well, you can either have a power supply that has XT60 connector and you can supply the power straight to the charger. Lucky me, I have a very big, nice and powerful power supply, professional one. And or you can use a larger battery like you know, some 12,000, 44,000 milliamp 6S batteries to power this charger and charge other batteries. So on the go you can use this charger with a bigger battery to charge other batteries, smaller batteries on the go or in the field, or at home you can use a dedicated power supply. Now on the front you have a kind of dial, which is not a dial, it's just 4 buttons, okay, 4-way buttons and a central button for you to control all the aspects of your charger. At these sides we do have one little jack, which is probably a kind of connection that is used to update your charges from your stuff, something like that. I do not have that one and I don't actually want to update the firmware and stuff like that. Anyway, you can also charge your smart devices using this USB port that supplies 5 volt 2.1 amp to your smart devices for charging, and that is it. All right, that is it. There's nothing much. There are a vent and a cooling fan right here. All right, so let me power it on and we will charge some battery right away. Just a moment, let me see. So before I actually pull my big huge power supply out, let's just make do with this. All right, I have a big 6S 5000 milliamp battery which I will plug here to power the charger. There you go, the charger is powered up. Let me zoom in more. Okay, good. Now let me connect a smaller battery, which is 4S3300 milliamp. Okay, I will basically connect it right here with the black cable all the way in the end. All right, so far no smoke, no blast. And you can see my battery is basically 3.8, 3.86, 3.86, 3.81 volts. Alright, that is 15.4 volt, and I will connect this side. Alright, and now we are good to go for charging. Alright, so first we will press the middle button and we come to the menu. We have tasks, okay. Alright, and we have current. We have cell count, automatically detected. We have cell voltage. That's where you want the full cell voltage to be. Battery type Lipo, which is automatically detected. Now in order to change the value, press the central button once again and you can change the value of and you can change it to charge your Li HV, Li Ion, Li Fe PB and Li MHCD batteries. Once again, you need to have XT60 connectors on those. Alright, after that you can set your cell's voltage, what you want them to be when it charges. 4.24. Can I push the cells too much? Well, I'm not sure. Anyway, don't want to push the batteries too much, then cell counts, well, it will automatically detect once you plug the battery balance port. Current, well, I want to set the current higher to charge this battery, so let's say we set it 2 amp. Alright, and then for charging you can charge, discharge, or set the battery to storage. Well, I will say charge and start. There we go, it start charging. While during charging, if you press the central button, you can stop charging, or you can just press the stop button right here. Or you can just press the stop button right here, but you can also change the current of charging on the go. Anyway, I will let the battery charge. When batteries are charging and cells are balancing, you can also view different information by pressing up and down, but for now, because we're on the top screen, we'll press down. And the final screen is showing working info. I believe that's coming from the battery which is on the left side, and that is the battery that is powering this charger and charging the battery at the right side. There's no more on the bottom side, so just 3 screens for you to watch. So using a bigger battery, that is a 6S battery sitting right here, I'm charging a smaller battery. So this is basically a charming feature because I can use a huge old battery, fully charge it, and then charge some smaller batteries on the go in the field. Now, how efficient this charger is, we will find out very, very soon. So far, it's charging very well. Battery Go technology is also there for your, batteries that actually support it. And of course, ISDT also claims that the new algorithm of this charger and the new hardware in this is very, very efficient. Much more efficient compared to their previous chargers. Well, every charger that I had from ISDT, they had the same claim. Don't be angry, stay here, be patient. Alright, while it's charging, let me check the voltage of cell voltage of the 6S battery right here. It is showing 3.1725, 3.1. It is showing 3.7, 3.7, 3.7, 3.7, 3.6, and 3.7 on each cell right here. Alright, so let's power on my power supply. I basically am very, very happy that I actually kept this power supply and brought it back. This is really a very nice professional power supply. Alright, so first thing first, we need to set up the voltage. Alright, I just connected a 6S battery to this charger to charge another battery, so I'm gonna provide it 22 volts. Let's say 22 volts. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the voltage. This is gonna be input voltage, so we're gonna set it to, let's say, 22.2 volts. That is the voltage from a 6-cell battery, and I have switched the current of my power supply to maximum, so whatever amperage, whatever amps this charger wants to pull, this baby is gonna supply it in full without any delay. So this is gonna be a complete pure juice going to this ISDT T6 Lite. Okay, now let's connect the charger to the power supply. It is on. I'm gonna plug a bigger battery, which is 5000 milliamp 6-cell. Basically, I was charging it before, but did not complete it. Anyway, so right now we have 3.95, 3.94, 3.93, 3.94, 3.94, 3.94 voltage on each cell. So let's go. It says 6S and 2.5 amp. Well, Now I'm gonna go crazy because this thing is giving it all the current this charger ever wants. So I'm gonna set it to 5 amp because this is a 5000 milliamp battery. Alright, 5A. And task is charge. Start. There we go. So using a power supply, you can actually give this charger what it needs and charge even the bigger batteries. But if you're on the field, you can easily use a bigger battery to charge smaller batteries. For instance, if you fly racing quadcopters, you're charging 4S 1500 milliamp or smaller batteries only. One or two big 6S 5000 milliamp or 10,000 milliamp will be enough to power the charger and charge your batteries on the go in the field. While you are flying, you can charge the other batteries here. This is it for the ISDT T6 Lite. Conclusion is simple. This is a compact and a very useful charger. Once again, thank you very much ISDT for bringing us another good charger. I do have my other trusted ISDT D2 charger sitting here, which can charge 2 batteries at the same time, and it has its own built-in power supply. This charger has been with me for a while and it has been serving me really nice, and that is why I am really loving this new ISDT T6 Lite, and I do trust ISDT for making better chargers. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.